And welcome to my class and story. Today we are going to discuss a new English story which title is The Dreaming Priest. Let's start. A long time ago there lived a priest who was extremely lazy and the poor at the same time. He did not want to do any hard work but used to dream being a rich one day. He got his food by the begging of his alms. One morning he got a pot of the milk, a part of the alms. He was extremely delighted and went home with the pot of the milk. He boiled the milk and drank some of it. Put the remaining milk in the pot. He added the slight curd in the pot of converting the milk to the curd. Then he lay down to sleep. Soon he started imagining the about the pot of the curd while he lay asleep. He dreamed that if he could become rich, somehow all of his miseries would be gone. His throat turned to the pot of the milk he had set a firm curd. He dreamed on. By morning, the pot of the milk would set. It would be converted to curd. I would crunch the curd and make the butter from it. It would be the better to make the ghee out of it. It will then go to the market and sell the ghee and make some money. With what the money I will buy the hen. The hen will lay May eggs and which will hatch. The three will be the many chicken. These chicken will in turn to the lay 100 of the egg and I will soon have the poultry farm of my own. He kept on imagine. I will sell all hens on my poultry but some cow and open a milk dairy. Then the town people will buy the milk from me. I will be very rich and soon I shall be jewel. The king was buy to all the jewels from me. I will be so rich then I will be able to marry an expectationally beautiful girl from a rich family. Soon I will have some handsome son. If he does any mischief, I will be very angry and teach them a lesson. I will hit him with a big stick. During his dreams in the involuntary, pick up the stick next to his bed and thinking that he was beating his son. Rises the stick and hit the pot. The pot of the milk broke and he awoke from his dream. The moral of the story is this: there is no substitute of the hard work. Dreaming cannot be fulfilled without hard work. Very simple story but very good message. Hope down you like the story. Thank you very much for watching the story.